Hey everyone, it's Riyashree and thank you so much for visiting my channel. Every season comes with its own charm and delicacies and summer is no different. As summer is already here, I thought it would be a good idea to share some summer recipes with all of you. Hope you will like this one. Starting with the breakfast, simple bread and egg today. Here I am keeping the breads in OTG to get toasted, and if you are also a correct toast lover like me, then toast the bread in 215 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes and you will be good to go. Meanwhile, let's prepare some scrambled eggs. Here I have taken 3 eggs and adding salt and black pepper powder for seasoning. Beat the eggs thoroughly and keep it aside. Now add some oil in a pan and saute the spinach leaves. I am using baby spinach leaves today. Saute the leaves for a while, and when the leaves come together like this, add the beaten eggs. Add chili flakes if you like it spicy and scramble. And the breakfast is ready. Some scrambled eggs, toast and some fruits to beat the heat. It's almost mid-morning, and to satisfy our coffee cravings, I'm preparing some cold coffee. In a blender jar, add 2 teaspoons of instant coffee and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add some ice cubes, little water and blend. When the color of the coffee will become lighter, add chilled milk and blend. Add ice cubes and our simplest, quickest, tastiest cold coffee is all ready to enjoy. For lunch today, I am preparing a mini Bengali thali as we are craving for some Bengali food. I'll be cooking the masoor dal in a pressure cooker for 2 whistles. Meanwhile, let's prep up for the jhine aloo posto. In a kadhai, add mustard oil and to that add kalonji or nigella seeds and dry red chili for tempering. To that add the cut and washed potatoes and rich curd. Add salt to taste and continue frying for some time. Then cover with a lid and cook until the potatoes are 80% done and don't forget to stir in between. Then add the poppy seed paste and give everything a nice mix and cook until the potatoes are done. Lastly, switch off the flame and add a drizzle of mustard oil and the jhinga aloo posto is ready. The dal is boiled, whisk until the grains are broken. Now in a pan, take some mustard oil, add mustard seeds and dry red chilies for tempering. We are preparing Bengali tog dal and for that we use raw mangoes. Discard the seeds and cut the mangoes into wedges like this and fry until the mango wedges develop a nice golden brown color. Then add the boiled masoor dal, add salt and turmeric powder and mix. Add hot water as we need runny consistency for the dal and add 2 green chilies. Now cover with a lid and continue cooking until the mango wedges are cooked completely. Lastly, add little sugar to balance the taste and the aam dal or toke dal is absolutely ready. Next I am preparing crispy fried bitter gourd or Corolla bhaja. For that, cut the Karela in thin slices like this and marinate with salt and turmeric powder. Then add oil to a pan and add kalonji. Kalonji is optional but it tastes good while come into the mouth while eating these Corolla bhajas. Then add the Karela slices and shallow fry in low to medium flame until it's done and become golden brown like this. And our simple yet delicious lunch is ready. It's almost 4:30 p.m. now and it's time for some evening snacks. I am preparing ice apple milkshake for my husband and son. This is an ice apple. It's also known as nunga. Hope I am pronouncing it right. And it's a famous summer fruit of South India. You need to peel the skin first and see it's looking like a piece of ice. I'm chopping one ice apple in smaller cubes to add directly in the glass and rest I'm blending. In a blender jar, add the ice apples, sugar, ice and chilled milk. Also, I am adding cardamom for a nice smell. And the ice apple milkshake is ready. Meanwhile, they are enjoying their milkshake. I am planning to prepare a mouth-watering guava chaat for satisfying my evening chaat cravings. Cut the guavas into chunks like this and add finely chopped green chilies and coriander leaves. Also add red chili flakes, lemon juice, black salt, little sugar, chaat masala and mustard sauce. Give everything a nice mix and the guava chaat is ready. For dinner, I am preparing tomato rice or tomato pulau. For that, here I have taken 1 cup of rice, wash and soak the rice for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take a pressure cooker, add oil and in the hot oil add the temperings, whole garam masala and mustard seeds. Then add the cashew nuts, fry for a while and add thinly sliced onion, curry leaves and green chilies. Fry the onion until it becomes golden brown in color. Then add roughly chopped tomatoes. Here I have taken 4 tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes become mushy. Then add turmeric, coriander, Kashmiri red chili and garam masala powder. Add a splash of water so that the masalas doesn't get burned. Give everything a nice mix and continue cooking until oil releases from the masala. Then add rice, add salt to taste and carefully mix the rice. Now add water. For 1 cup of rice, I have taken 1.5 cup of water. On low medium flame, pressure cook the rice for 1 whistle and then allow the pressure to get released by itself and the tomato rice is ready. And here is our simple dinner: tomato rice, salad, papad and curd. So that was all about for today everyone. Hope you will find these summer recipes useful, and if so, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.